the Crafty Pink Girl 14 show. Today I'm going to be doing the dun 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 bread challenge, or I think it's called eating bread challenge, or bread challenge, or whatever it's called. I don't really know. All I know is that what you have to do, I have my wheat sandwich bread here. There we go. Because wheat is better for you. I like white bread better, but wheat is better for you. It's all natural. Anyways, what I'm going to be doing is what the eating bread challenge is that you have to eat either one piece of bread or 2 pieces of bread in 1 minute. And I've never done this before, so I don't know how it's going to turn out, but let's get to the challenge. Yay! Alright, so I have 2 pieces of bread right here. And so I think you're supposed to eat like 1 piece in 1 minute. Or, you know, I can try to eat 2 pieces in 1 minute. But I think as long as I get 1 piece down, then I'm good. So, if I get 1 piece down, I'm good. Alrighty, my older brother in the background over here, is gonna start the time countdown for 1 minute. Alrighty. Ready, Joshua?
You want to count down?
From 1 minute, you have to count down.
I mean, you want me to say start from 3, go down? 3, 2, 1?
Yeah.
And 3, 2, 1, go.
This is surprisingly hard. Oh my.
I have an actual timer on my phone I'm using.
Fastest I ever ate anything.
30 seconds. Seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time.
Okay. Okay, so excuse me. I got 1 piece of bread down in about 30.5 seconds. So that was good. And then I shoved the other piece in my mouth, as you saw. And so, wow. So that was fairly simple, if you guys wanted to do it. So, I think I did pretty good. That was the fastest I ever ate in like forever. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please go over to my other account and like and subscribe, which is called, excuse me, no, it's not called excuse me, but it's called Caramel Apple and Pumpkin Pie 2 Bunnies, and that's my bunnies account. And so, yeah, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and share this account. Well, actually, don't share, just like and subscribe, and comment down below if you like.
They can share if they want to.
Yeah, share. I don't care.
Don't share. You'll lose followers.
I don't want to lose followers. So share. I don't care. Whatever you do, just please like and subscribe and comment down below and tell me what type of challenge you would want to see me do next. So yeah, as I say again, please comment down below and tell me what type of challenge you want to see me do next. Thank you so much for watching, and this was the Crafty Pink Girl 14 show. It's so mixed up in my head, I don't even know anymore. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And again, thank you so much for watching, and God bless y'all. Bye!